The first step is to cook your sausages in the salt water. My husband likes to do that because that way he gets the best flavor in the sausages. So let's cook until it's fully cooked. So it's cooking. After 5 minutes, you can turn your sausages. That way the other side will cook good too. Let it cook for almost another 5 minutes. While it's cooking, let's put some water to boil for the pasta. And I have 8 cups of water here. Let's bring it to boil. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. That way it will get the best flavor of the angel hair pasta. And I'm going to add a touch of olive oil. So I want to brown my sausages. About half a teaspoon. And medium heat. And now you add your sauce to this. Prego, the traditional sauce. Let it cook for a few seconds. Meanwhile, slice them, chop your sausages. Oh, look at that, really juicy. Smells great. Slice any way you like. This is how my husband likes. This is perfectly cooked. Smells good in here. You add this to the sauce. The water is boiling now, so I'm going to add my pasta. It takes only 4 to 5 minutes to get the pasta cooking. The pasta will be done in 4 minutes. I'm going to be using half of the packet. Well, let's try this. Let it cook for 4 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever the time you, whatever the pasta texture you like. I like in 4 minutes. I like little. Al dente. So while the pasta is cooking, mix your sausages and the sauce together. The pasta is done. So I'm gonna drain this. I'm gonna turn off the stove. I'm gonna drain this. I'm gonna put some cold water. You don't have to add too much, just a bit, maybe a half cup. Get the water. I'm gonna drizzle with some olive oil. Mix it well. That's ready right now. It's ready to eat actually. This is ready to eat. The sauce is almost done too, maybe like a minute. Yes, it's done. Let's look at that. Yes, that looks delicious. It's ready to eat. So it's time to eat now. Ah, look at that. That's perfectly cooked. And I'm gonna get some sauce. It smells wonderful here. Smells good. You can add Parmesan cheese. I like a little bit more. And you can add oregano if you want, but it's in there on the sauce. So it's time to eat. This looks delicious. Let me try sausage. It's delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Try making it with your family and enjoy it with the family. Thanks for watching, and please do give thumbs up on this angel hair pasta dish. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.